Join Belle Epoc Travel Agency on an unparalleled journey of luxury and discovery. Experience the epitome of comfort and bespoke service with Belle Epoc, where every detail is tailored to your desires. Starting in the historic city of London, traverse across the vibrant landscapes of Tunisia, Kenya, Rwanda, Botswana, South Africa, Benin, and Morocco. With limited guest numbers, indulge in an intimate journey that promises not just sights, but personal transformations. Begin with the mystic allure of Tunisia's rich history and bustling souks. Fly next to Kenya, where the wild roams free under the golden savanna skies. In Rwanda, come face to face with the majestic mountain gorillas in their natural habitat. Botswana offers a serene escape with its iconic wildlife and pristine landscapes. In South Africa, balance urban chic with tranquil vineyard tours. Explore Benin, where art and culture pulse through the streets. Conclude in Morocco with its mesmerizing markets and timeless landscapes. Embrace the spirit of Africa with Belle Epoc Travel Agency. Limited spots are available for an uncommon travel experience wrapped in uncommon service, a dynamic, intuitive hospitality brand that is practiced with grace and humility.